Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on exponential and linear functions. Okay, Sean and Heather were offered jobs over the summer for 12 weeks. Knowing that they would improve, they were offered $1 their first week for training, and then they were given the following offers for a pay scale. Option A, they would get an additional $100 each week. Option B, their salary would double each week. Sean was convinced option A was a better deal. Heather thought option B was the way to go. Complete the tables for method A and B. Okay, so for A, this is where you get an additional 100. So after week 1, you have $101. So the average rate of change is you get an additional $100. Then week 2, you get $201. That's an additional 100. Then you have 301. Your average rate of change is your slope. It's what you're adding each week. And that would be the first 4 weeks of payment that Sean would get. Okay, now for Heather. The first week she would get $1. The second week she would get $2. For percent of change, you do where you are minus where you came from, divided where you came from. This is 1 over 1, which is 1 times 100. That's 100% increase. Double 2 to 4. Where you are minus where you came from, divided where you came from. 2 over 2 is 1. That's a 100% increase. We double this. Where you are, where you came from, divided where you came from. This is going to be a 100% increase. 16 minus 8 divided by 8 is also 100% increase. Okay, so by week 4, it looks like Sean may be on to something. Okay, find f of A that models the salary after T weeks of work. Okay, so f of A is $100 per week plus the first week of training. What kind of function is this? This is linear. Find f of B that models the salary after 2 weeks of work. Well, f of B, we start with $1, then we double each week. What kind of function is this? This is exponential. All right, determine the salary after 12 weeks for each and the total summer pay. Okay. So for Sean, after 12 weeks, that's $100 for 12 weeks plus the original $1. He is going to get $1,201 on week 12. For Heather, that's 2 to the 12th times 1. That means on week 12, Heather is going to be getting $4,096. Sorry, $4,096, which means somewhere along the way, suddenly Heather's salary got a little bit better. But here's the thing. We want to know after 12 weeks who made more money. So for Sean, what you have to do is you have to add them all up. So for Sean, you have to take 1 plus 101 plus 201 plus 301 plus 401. And at the end of the summer, Sean's final salary is $7,813. Not a bad deal. For Heather, you take $1 plus $2 plus $4, and you say at the end of the summer, she gets $8,191. Now, before you call foul and say that's 13 weeks of work, not 12, the first week of training didn't count. That's why it was only $1. You don't get paid for the week of training. The 12 weeks started at week 1, not the initial training week. So these are valid sums. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!